It's going to be an awesome time. Join us right now as we take a little trip into our Thursday training session at the KINGinme Soccer Academy. Ready to rumble, ready to go. It's going to be an awesome time. Let's get it going. So, Champion Campione, if we are just meeting for the first time, my name is William, the Technical Director of the KINGinme Soccer Academy. It's that time again, it's training time. Very excited to see the boys, very excited to see them not just merely win, but to see them ultimately dominate today's training session. That's one of the mindsets we try and instill in our players, is that we are not just there to merely just win. We are here to dominate in the way that we think, dominate in the way that we talk, dominate in the way that we pass, dominate in the way that we move on the field, dominate in the way we ultimately treat one another, because Jesus Christ has said, right, that whoever wants to become great must become a servant. And that's the pathway to greatness over there, is to serve the world, the gifts and the talents that you and I have ultimately been blessed with. So very excited to see the boys. On my way to go and collect our coach, Coach Tabang, who's been an absolute blessing of note. Excited to see what he's going to put us on today, and the session of what's going to be taking place today. We've been blessed with also some tremendous apples and bananas and some lekker energade as well for today's training session. It's going to be a special one for the boys. Shout out to every single partner that partners with us, every single sponsor that is a part of the KINGinme Soccer Academy. It indeed takes like there's a common saying that says it takes a village to raise a child. Now, if you want to raise men, which is the point of this academy, to empower the boys to become the men God has called them to be, it literally takes a country to do that. So I want to say thank you to all of the sponsors, specifically for today's training session. I want to say thank you to Bonchi, all right, and just so many other people that ultimately make this possible. I want to say thank you to all of you guys. And also, hey, listen, if you want to become a partner, you are more than welcome to partner with us and get alongside us, come alongside us, and let us change the way we do football, right? Where the focus is not just merely playing soccer, but the focus is to win in every single area of life, to dominate in every single area of life, because we don't want to just be good, we want to be great. So very excited, very pumped, and we'll see you in the next take. So, Campeones, I'm about to pull up over here to get Coach Tabang. He's here by the bus stop today with this rain that's busy happening. So we're about to pull up. Here's Coach T. So I've got Coach T coming in here today. How are you, sir?
I'm excellent.
Yes. You excited? You pumped?
Of course.
100%. So we're doing a POV today.
POV?
Yeah, point of view.
Okay.
Just showcasing the folks what's cooking here at the KINGinme Soccer Academy. What's gwalin?
Okay. Let's get it.
Let's get it, Coach. So here we got Champion over here. Ay. The boys are coming in. Reino, how are you, champ? First pump it out. Good to see you. Andrew, how are you, champion? Awesome. The fellas are here. I see Franz is also here. Say what's up, guys. Say what's up. First pump it out. KB, Sia, Matt. What's up, champs? Franz, good to see you. Sholen, where you go? Bloedgeskenk of wat, boete? Lekker. KG, Ryan, Malachi, Campione. Oh, Kev, also in the building. Nice. Awesome. It's unfortunate that some of the champs aren't here today with some other school commitments and things that are happening on their side, and some other things, little minor issues here and there. But nonetheless, we are going to make the most about and with what we have, and it's going to be an awesome time nonetheless. So keep watching, stay all the way tuned. If you haven't yet liked the video, go ahead and smash that like button, and see you in the next take. T-Man-T. What's good, champ? You're doing well. Good to see you, my friend. The background looks like you're in the bushes there somewhere, but meanwhile we're in PTA, Pitori. Huh? Look there. Huh? Mr. Matric.
Sir, good.
Yes, sir. You're doing well.
Yeah, I'm doing very well.
Nice, man. Good to see you. Good to see you, champ. Lele. So champs, yeah, we had a bit of a storm happening over here on our side. Sorry, it might be a bit loud, but we had a storm going, a little slight wolkbreek, like we'll say in Afrikaans, cloud burst. But the boys are out here getting their game going. Wonderful training session. Coach is doing his thing. I'm going to try to flip the screen quickly so that you guys here. So boys are going nice and strong, looking good, looking healthy, looking fit. Had some lekker bananas and apples, some snack time while we were waiting. Was able to also work in a team talk. And there's a Khalakasha Pagat inside. So coach is taking them through the paces over here. On the side, as you guys can see, there's the storm that we had earlier on. And both our goalies seem to be absent today. So we got some of the infield players to kind of take one for the team. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder slightly here behind us. It is kind of moving over, so I think the boys will be nice and safe. I know some of you might be in the comment section saying the boys shouldn't be playing with this thunder. It's bossing over there, Jeff. So we'll be all right. Thank you, Jesus. Exciting times, guys, and we'll see you again in the next take. So, champs, that is it for today. Was a bit of a wet one, eh, Coach?
Hey, Coach, it was wet today. But
Sure. How was it for you today?
I think that was one of the best sessions we've had of 2025. Like the champs' first touch, triangles, everything was on. Like, yo, I can't even complain from a coach's perspective.
There we go. Boys stepped up in a big way.
Yeah.
The weather held out nicely. We are both pretty soaked over here.
Yes.
So we're going to definitely, hopefully, pop the heater on our way back home.
Sure.
Again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. And we'll see you on the next one. Maybe perhaps with less water.
Hey, hopefully.
Awesome, champs. Until next time, in the meantime, in between time, just know today, namhlanje, that your voice matters.